everyone. Today I will talk about the application form filling process of KMB Scholarship 2023. As you can see, we are on its application form itself. This form consists of several sections. The first section pertains to students' personal details. Here you need to fill all the asked details very carefully, consisting of your first name, your last name, your email, your mobile, your WhatsApp number, your gender, your income, and all the other details that have been asked over here. You need to update them, followed by the updation of the address, permanent or correspondence. As per the requirement, you can update over here and then click on Save and Continue button. The next section consists of education details section. Now this section is again divided into two subsections. So the first section pertains to your present class details and the second section pertains to your previous class details. In the present class details, you need to fill the asked details here, consisting of class, degree, course duration, institute type, current academic year, district, and everything that has been asked over here. You need to update accordingly and click on Save button. Then in the previous class section, again you need to fill all these details very carefully along with your marks and then click on Save button. The next section consists of the details of the family members who are earning, and here you need to add details of two family members. If there is no income for a family member, you can enter 0, or if there are more than 2, then you can click on Add Family and update the details accordingly. The next section is that of documents section. So before filling the form, you need to keep all these documents ready with you to upload here, consisting of your passport size photograph, your Aadhaar card both sides, student ID proof, latest college fee receipt, college fee structure, class 12th mark sheet, income proof, domicile certificate, admission letter. Also, please note that these documents should be in PDF or JPEG format and the file size should not exceed 1 MB. The next section is that of the references. Here, you need to fill at least 2 references. And if you have more than 2, you can click on Add Reference and add these details, which consists of name, mobile number, and the relation, and click on Save button. The last section is that of bank details. Here you need to click on Add Bank Detail and enter the account holder name, account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch name, and then click on Save button. You need to click on Save button in every step. Once all the steps are done and you have filled all the details, you can go ahead with the application submission process. For that, you need to accept these terms here. For that, you need to click on all these boxes. Once you have clicked on these boxes, you can click on Preview button here. Once you click on the Preview button, the entire filled up form gets displayed in front of you. You can check all the details and update accordingly, and then you can submit the form for further processes. Thank you.